Hi guys, this is all about Lola Helen. So now I will show you the pedicure. Our model is she wants a very short nails because she is no ingrown, but she have so many dry skin. She wants hard pedicure and she wants bloody pedicure. But I adjust that I can get the all dry skin, even no blood. But she wants and she needs to see the blood and she satisfied. Before that, our model is a new taking a bath. That's why I did not put alcohol. So we direct to cuticle remover so that the nails is softened. And we spray uh, cuticle remover so that the cuticle is softened, the dry skin or have the ingrown. It's easy to remove. So if I post the nails, I did not post strong so that the nails not thin. So look at the nails of our model is very good. See, because I did not post harder. I put only like remove the dirt in the nails. So no need to post harder so that the nails did not broken. So we spray again the remover, cuticle remover, and then cut the nails very short. She wants very short. I did not make it fast forward. It is natural because many of my followers that requesting also, Lola Helen, will you please make the video not fast forward? So this is not fast forwarding. This is a natural pedicure. It's good for the beginners. So you can see this one, how to clean pedicure. So you get the excess nails beside. Don't cut more because if you cut more, the nails is deformed. So get only the excess because if the nails is like that for rubber shoes or shoes, they have dry skin there, a big dry skin. So you get that. Callus like that. So we slowly remove. And as I said, our model is very want to hard pedicure. She's satisfied if the nipper or pusher make bloody to the nails, but I don't want like that. So sometimes I make it push harder. So see, look at the callus beside. So for the beginners, you can do it like that, slowly only. She wants also always cut the cuticle, the ingrown upper there, even she did not have ingrown. She wants to push to get like that because she itchy. It's not removed. See? If you look like that, no cuticles, no ingrowns, but if you touch, have many dry skin inside, and she wants to get the full even a short nails for nail cutters, you want to cut for nipper. You want to cut very short. The nails is very healthy, see? Because if this is I always pedicure the nails, the toenails, but I did not push hard. So even my nails, look at my nails. This is all about Lola Helen. Look at the nails of all about Lola Helen. It's very clear and strong, see? Very strong and healthy. No need to push very hard, because if you push hard, the nails is not good. So look at the nails, is very healthy, see? Some manicurists or some pedicurists is getting the big cutting nails to get the dry skin or the ingrown, but me, I don't want like that, because the nails is broken, the shape not aligned. So even your client, your models, you want sadista, you are the professional, you do it for good. So you suggest that for good. So even all toenails have a dry skin. See, no ingrown, only the excess nails, but she wants to remove that. So look at that. The nails is healthy and good, but she wants to massacre the nails, her nails. She wants murder, so that she wants to be satisfied if the foot is murder, the toenail is murder. But always remember that you are the manicurist and you are the professional. You are the one who taking care the nails of your model, of your clients. That's why even your clients is a murderer, you do it for a good way. You cut only little so that your pusher can insert. So remove it slowly and carefully. So pushing slowly, carefully, so the dry skin pop up. So look at the toenails. Our model did not react because she wants a hard pedicure. I did not getting that one, but she wants to cut like that because she cuts before. So that's why the dry skin is now over there in the matrix part. In the matrix part is so bloody. If you wrong way to remove the ingrown, the cuticles, the dry skin, even you push. that is very bloody because that is for many nerves for bloody, the metric parts. Here. So look at the dry skin. Ayan. Many dry skin, even a small nails. But you see the design of the nails is very good shape. And that is the metrics, oh right, in the cuticles. We cutting only little, no cut big. I always remember to you that do not cut big because the nails deform. Okay? So thank you so much, my followers, my subscribers. Thank you so much for follow all about Lola Helen. So if you are not subscribers, you please subscribe my YouTube channel all about Lola Helen, and please click the notification bell so that every time I upload you can get the you notify that I have a new upload. So see, look at the dry skin, very low, not deep. See, because every time I pedicure, I did not getting bad. I get good. So you see, we pull. See, like that, okay? Because if you cut only, tomorrow have there again. That's why we pause to pull up and remove. To my followers that requested making me in English version, I do it now, and then last night I do it also. But some of my followers said, you make it Tagalog, Lola. That's why I upload it in English. I upload it in Tagalog sometimes. Maybe it's easy to me to upload when my dialect is Ilonggo or Hiligaynon. It's easy to me to make explanation when it comes my dialect in Ilonggo or in Hiligaynon, because your all about Lola Helen is Bisaya, Bacolod. But some of my followers more in Philippines. And the second country is US. That's why they requested me English and also in quiet, like that. So many countries, when I see the analytics, many countries following to me. That's why even it's hard for me to explain in English, I do it for you because you love me and I love you too. So thank you always for supporting all about Lola Helen. Lola Helen is all around beautician. And when I am 13 years old, I am a manicurist already because of my high school days in electives. And then until now, I am doing this, but now is for content. So long time manicurist. So I know and I experience almost the nails, any kinds of nails. I experience, but I am not a perfect, because even your client or your models or your customers every time wants to go to you, the nails, if you always doing that, you can do it perfectly. But some customers did not taking care of you, so the nails deform. That's why you do it again for very thick care. But if your client is always your client, you know how to get the dirt, dry skin, or ingrown. So it's easy to pedicure or to manicure if you have your own customer or your own client is always coming back to you. Because if you make this and then after a month making to others, then the others did not take care of your nails, when you come back again, it's hard again to take care. So now if you finish, you rinse clean water, and then you wipe, and then put lotion, and then massage, little massage, so that the foot is relaxing, the toe is relaxing. So now finish. Look at the healthy nails, healthy toenails, very nice looking. So look at that. See, very healthy. So if the other one is like that, if you clean this one, you clean it again for another one. So